Cleaning a camera sensor and lenses is a little bit mundane. It can be a little nerve-wracking, especially for the sensor, but it has to be done. All right, expose that sensor, blow off with your rocket duster as much dust as you can, and if all your dust is now gone, then congratulations, you are done cleaning your sensor. For the rest of you, spray a very fine mist over the camera and let it fall down on top of the sensor of a camera lens and sensor cleaning solution. And then I use my appropriately sized sensor swab. I'm using an APS-C sized swab, and you're gonna wanna use a brand new swab every single time because a single grain of sand or dirt will scratch and scar glass. What I do is I do 1 to 2 passes going the same direction, and then I switch directions and do 1 to 2 passes going the other way. I do that because on each pass I can press it to the top or bottom of the sensor to make sure I get full coverage. You do not need much pressure at all. Be gentle, but don't be afraid. And now we're going to rocket blast it one more time just in case that swab dropped any lint. And now you should be done. You can cap the body. Moving on to a lens cleaning, I have this beautiful vintage Canon FL 58mm f1.2. Again, start with the rocket duster. If that solves your problems, you're done. If not, do your fine mist of lens cleaning solution. Grab a microfiber. The one I like these from K&F because they're individually vacuum sealed and I'm not getting any dust or lint falling off of them. Sometimes I do sweeping motions and other times I'll start from the center and spiral my way out to the edge. Either way, I always finish with a circular perimeter sweep of the very outer edge of the lens because that is where lint and cleaning solution always gather, and then blast it one more time with your rocket duster to eliminate any lint that may have dropped off your microfiber. Now let's talk about these cleaning pins. I don't care how they market it. I don't care what they say. The description says, do not ever use this directly on any optical portion of your camera, lens, sensor, EVF, none of it. Every single one I've ever used across multiple manufacturers always leaves this oily, greasy residue. I'm pretty sure it's designed to catch and hold dust and dirt. And so how I use it is to get inside of the cracks, crevices, hard to reach places on the camera body, lenses, lens mounts, filter threads on the lenses. You don't want any dirt in there because it increases the chance of your filters getting stuck. But again, never on any optical portion of your camera. And that's it. It's not that hard. It's not that scary, and it has to be done.